Well, this is just sitting here. It's the elevator at the First Street ramp in Rochester. Schumacher. Here's your COP, 2,500 pound capacity, GAL JetPlus buns and 88 foam. It's an older cab. Interesting for a parking garage. This is probably something old. We're at 1. Sounds like Monty. 6. Let's see if we get a motor. There we go. Can't even hear it that well. Six. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, this was a Monty. Ended on 3. Guess the down bell does not work. Here we go. It's an older Schumacher mod. Here we are at 3 right now. And I don't think it's gonna close. So that'll be it.